How to fix no sound on Messenger video call. Hey everyone, in today's video, we are going to fix a very frustrating problem, no sound on Messenger video calls. So if you can't hear the other person or they can't hear you, you can follow out these steps to fix it. First of all, you can press the volume button up during the call and make sure that the media volume is not muted. Go ahead and look out for the media volume and ensure that it's not muted. Sometimes it's just a simple volume issue, so you can check your volume level. Apart from that, you can turn off the silent or do not disturb mode. So look out for the quick settings panels and look out for the do not disturb mode option here. And go ahead and tap on it in order to turn it off. And turn it off, that may be also the case why you are not able to, have no sound. Also, you can check your microphone permission. So hold Messenger and go to the info. And once you go to the info, what you need to do is go to the section for permissions. And inside permission, look out for microphone. And inside permission, look out for microphone. And then go ahead and tap on the option called allow enable it. And go ahead and tap on the option called allow enable it. Without this, others won't be able to hear you. And also restart the application. You can close the Messenger application completely and open it again and try calling. Or you can just go and restart your device and also clear the application cache, hold it up and go to the info. And from there, go to their storage. And within storage, look out for clear cache and tap on it. You can use a very stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Poor connection can cause audio issues. And that's how we fixed. And that's it. That's how we fix no sound on Messenger video calls. Now your calls should be clear and working properly. So if this video helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.